Hi everyone, today we're going to learn My Elder Brother from Class 5 English Marigold textbook. This is a story by Premton titled Bade Bhai Saheb. The story shows that experience is as important as hard work. Ole no pangtewu vaina chuan My Elder Brother ti Class 5 English Marigold textbook mi kan zirdona hethon tu hi Premchand a lekhbu Bade Bhai Saheb ti amini a hethon tu ina min zirtir tum chu experience ataka thil lo ti than to hi taima le rim taka na tho nen apoimo dan in angreng te ti la dik ome thorim na tluk zetin experience ni hi apoimo tina ani. Scene 1. A hostel room, two brothers aged 9 and 14 years sitting at a study table. The elder brother, Baya, is reading a book and the younger one, Muna, is drawing pictures of birds and animals. Ole pung khatna achuan hostel room khata unaw panhi kumkwale kumsom palimi an oma a uzok chuan lekha chiara anaw zok chuanin savale ransalem aziak mekani. An athon thu drama anga zia ania ti han kan lo soimo pop don nya o baya chuan muna ingi ti a atia anaw muna chuan milem kaziak atia a u chuan baya khanin inti ka nge le khai zirdon zinga khan khongi atia muna chuan ka infiam atia ni a u bula chuan intin nge le ka chiar hian re takhi I thut theya atia baya a u chuan ka lekha zirte hi abul thuta tang chiang taka thiam ka du ni entirnan building in lian pui pui te po hi asak na hi abul thutte abante a nge chuan a in kha nget em a ka tiang deuh khan ka lekha zirte po hi abul thuta tanga chiang taka thiam ka du ni achang chuan kum kha chunga zirtur angte hi kum ni lai te ka chiar thina sin atiani chuan anaw khan bayan ke ain kum ngai ni upazoka ke ain class thumin ipol sang zoka class thum ti om ja chu entirnan anaw kha class 6 lo ni ta se a u kha 7 8 9 class 9 ani tin angani chu ke ai class thumin pol thumin ipol sang zoka ati achang chuan makkatin ipei ka ti thin angai le ngai ringot te hi voisom ni chuang te ziaka poems te hi voi tam tak iziaki ni chiara angai ringot te hi thu te hi tam tak iziaka intin nge ngai le ngai ringot hi zia pe thin ni anaw muna khana tia a u baya chuan English thiam tur te chuanin zirha angaya chiar tam angaya English zir hi infiam na mai angani lawa thanem ngai taka English thiam bel tur chuan tong emo ziak emo thiam bel tur chuan voitam tak beya voitam tak chiara voitam tak zia angai lom field marble te le khachai te khatianga nena infiam emo omme meya thiante nena infiam emo khan khatiang tur khan hun ka nei ve lo chiang taka thiam tur chuan nangma zo ki entin nge le khai thu chung izir mol lo hi ka ti zok thin sin u khan ti ve thunga ne chutia u ina soimol mol lai chon anaw muna chuan baya voina khwa a mela omdona mela chu kan siang dro inti hlimna chi sang sang kha kan kal do nem atiani baya a u chuan hatiang inti lem namuna te mo hockey emo cricket khel na huna te infiam na huna te ka kal min hoto ngai em chu ngai chuan le khazir ka du zok class ngai a thut non emo be non hi ka du reng lawani tangpo le khai zir lo chuan I class ngai dam chung ini thu mai tur sin I lekhai zir that lo chuan nu le paten fee te an choya kan zirnan poisa tam tak an choya kapa poisa tam tak I khoral mai ti na ni don sin lekhai zir lo chuan a u khana ti ni anaw muna chu a trap pur mai ni baya tlan ho dei mai ni ka du atiani hostela om khaning ve deu poni mai thei a u baya khan a trap to su hanui te le I timetable le khazir dan tur ka siam sakang che atitani ne chuan u khan timetable kha asiam sakta ni abua kan huang hian jing dar ruka in phi faenga breakfast enga lekha zir tanang dar ruka tanga dar saria English dar sari tanga daria ta mathematics daria ta acholanga skula kalanga ti chuan tlai dar thuma tanga darlia grammar ziranga ti chuan darkar chan ve chol lenga li le chan ve tanga nga le chan ve kha tlai choi hun lo nia nga le chan ve tanga dar saria English composition aziranga dar sari tanga daria ta history dar ria ta tanga dar kwa a translation dar kwa tanga dar soma hindi dar soma tanga som pakhata subject dang zirtur la nei te ziranga chumi zo a chuan mu ang tikhan a lekha zirdan tur kha u khan timetable kha achian sakta ni ti chuan naw chuan muna chuan ani le engti khuna nge ka infiamang atiani a u baya chuan infiam ima mo emni atia muna chuan o field a kalte luite a kalte in football khelte a kabaddi play te a volleyball te na tiang sang infiam na chi sang kha inting nge ka tiang kha infiam ka dualom chuan atia chuan bung hne na scene 2 the final exams are over and the results are out bung hne na chuan final exam an zauta a ti chuan result lo chhuaka baya khan o ban pui tak ka fail le ta ati ni a u kha le kha zir ngut na le kha thiam thei lutuk lo ani mai the khongai thlak hle mai muna anaw zo khan o but baya I have pass u naw pa ke chu ka pass asin kan class a pakhat na kani thiam ber kani tuna chuan ke ain pol ni chawin pol sang to don ani khanang chui beinon don sia atia baya chuanin kanaw chutia ilo pasta ka chuanin ike ai thiam talua ti na ni lawania o I chapo dewem ni chapo reng su entirnan I game pakhat ilo khelta a I van nei thak takin ilo pet goal ta a kha game a ilo pet goal awang khan thiam ber ini ti na ni chuang lawania nuna hi chuan hring nuna hi chuan taimat taka engpo hi kan be ngai sin entirnan algebra emo geometry emo ipola sande huna izirlo ngayanga aharo puisia chutiang izir huna chuan taimat taka zirle zwala ngai ti shidon ni entirnan geometry a khanin ACB ti aya khan ABC ti in answer lo ziak tala I enlo examiner khanin endik tu khanin I engma mark apedon mia lo chenia atiani anaw chuan polsan kha hupur te ban hardon class 9 ni po ka pe lo ve a ina ka pain homework min ti pui bak a punishment ka don lo na tur bak ka sir pe lo ya atiani baya chuanin voina hian essay punctuality ti thupui hun vondik ti thupui mangin phekli ziak turin min tia han ngai tua te chutiang phekli han zia tur chana har tur zia mai te chu ngai tua na zong te po hin chopul nuai the sin atiani anaw muna khanin school kal lo hun le don ta in haw lo hun le don ni rengot mai ni atiani Scene 3, Bungthumna, the results were out once again, and it so happened that Muna passed and Baya failed again. Baya was really upset. Muna was also sad seeing his brother so unhappy. Baya now becomes gentle with Muna. Muna becomes naughtier because of this and studies even less than before. Nichuan hun te lo kal zela class te an kala ni exam lo hun le ta Muna chu pass le a u le khazir zok pe zok baya kha fil le ta ni alunga a shomati ani muna po ka na u hlim lo mel mu ka chu shomati ve thawa ti chuan zirfak lawa pass bang te po khan yang muna chuan le khazir kha that chele zwal ta sot mai ni muna chuanin angai to na khan zirwak lo pon ka pass thei thawa chu wan chan le khazirwak po ngai lo hi chan te nen le kha chai te chain ka infiam kwal theya ma se ka u hian min mu tur ni lawa ti vel ro ni ni khachu le khachai an achian de nena an chai ruk lai khana le khachai kha tlat lo maya ni chuan na lama khana u nen khana in muta ni a u chuan muna mu ve le chuna kuta lo mana ni lenga le khachai che in fiam hi izak lom ni han ngai tua te tuna polria ti ni to no pang chha me ni to lo I pol sang to le khazir lo wa tia in fiam me hi tur hi ni to lo nangma ka fel wanga hau thelo tur cha kan le nem u kania nang a in kum nga upa kani hi ngai to ro thil reng sha thiam na hi lek bu char tang ringot amot anilawa kanu le ka pa hian ngai to te school po kanu chuan kal lawa ka pa chuan pol nga chawasin pass atiani muna chuan ani mo tak mo ka u kha tiani ni e nang ain ke ain nu le pa te chu pol hniam ma sila an experience atangin ke ni ain an fing de zoka khovela hianin zirtur tam tak umma sila nu le kan pa te hian kan le kha zirang hi zirlo ma sila kan nu le kan pa te chuan thil tam tak ke ni a hriat fia le hriat chiat te an nein ke ni ai nu le pa te hi pol hniam ma sila an fing de zo ka sin entir nan ke ai ni pol hniam ta a tu na hian ke hi dam lo tai le entin nge ko omang entin nge min ti ang atita ni muna anaw kan ka shemya lo kanu le ka pa ka shilang ti chuan ka pa chu rang takin hostela local mayang atita ni a u baya chuan a ka be se ang cha ti chuan ka pa chu hostela local langa ati tur chu doctor ko wanga engwanga dam lo nge ka ni ti azot chhuak anga min nt rang khanu le pa chuan ti dan tur an sha a tu tiang chuan ke ni ai pol hniam ma chila kan nu le kan pa ti hian he ko vel hring nu na hian experience tam tak an neya pol hniam ma chila ke ni ai nan fing zo kin rem an she zo ka ni ti te po hi sha tur a u khan ti amuna chuan mi tuitling pam khan ka u ka ti pal o atia anaw a u chuan anaw chu kwa pa in ke po hian le ka chai chai te in fiam te hinwam ka ti ve em a nangma enkol hi ka ti tur ani a chuwan chuan ka mo phur na inia ka thu hi oyang che atia anaw po chuan ka lome ka u ka hmangai che ati ni ti chuan ka ti zong kha thon thu chu lo ni ta a page number 70 a khan reading is fun question and answer zo na le chan na tur om ta a zo na a pe a question and answer hi mizo tongin ka le to lo me nga class 5 in ni to a hey English simple English te ni a omzia in shebek tura ka nga ya in ne ni chuan comments section a in lo da anga in chan kan tum don ne o so question number 1 what are the things that Muna like to do the answer Muna liked to walk in the green fields. He also liked to play marbles and fly paper kites. Question number 2. What did Baya do all day? The answer, Baya read books all day. Question number 3. Why was Muna not happy with the timetable that Baya made for him? The answer, Muna was not happy with the timetable that Baya made for him because there was no time to play in the timetable. Question number 4. How do you think Muna felt when his brother was so strict with him? Why was Baya so strict with him? The answer, Muna felt like running away and going back home when his brother was so strict with him. Baya was strict with him because he did not study much and instead went outside to play with his friends. Question number 5. Whose character do you like more, Muna's or Baya's? Why? You have to do this one by yourself, which one you prefer, Muna or Baya, and you have to write, why do you like Muna or why do you like Baya? Move on to page number 71, creative writing. The format of the letter is given to you. Letters to friends and close family are written in the same way as you speak to them. Hi creative writing lekathon ziadan ani a ziadan kha rules khe enta ula writer's address te dates le greetings te kha ta a in pesa ta a writer's address a chuan Krishna Boys Hostel Model Public School Kolkata date a chuan nisom July sang ni greetings a chuan dear ma anu lekha thonna anidon tani. This is my first letter after the summer vacation. We started our classes the day after we reached the hostel. I have settled in well. We have a new teacher for clay modeling and pottery. She tells us how to make fruits and vegetables with clay. We then paint them. They look so real. We have an inter-house poetry recitations coming up in August. I'm really excited about it. It is a long poem, but we learn it together with our teacher. It is nice to be back in school with my friends and teachers. I remember you and Baba a lot. Give my love to grandmother and grandfather. John atop na kanita ending akan. Do write back soon. A closing akan. A loving son Pratap. Kakale katon ziadan nitani. This one I pek le lama khan in the next page in page number 72. After reading the letter, answer the following question. Lekathon kan lo chiar ta. This one la han zona in pek and chang don ni. Number 1. Who's written the letter? Tungel tu lekathon ziak nge. Tungel lekathon ziak tu hi. To whom has the letter been written? Tu ne na nge lekha hi atun. Athon. Where is the writer of the letter? Lekathon ziak tu hi khoya nge om. What is the name of his hostel? An hostel ming enge. On which date was this letter written? Eng tikni ange he lekathon hi zia tina ni ta le lama tangkhan lekathon tangkhan in chang don ani kha zo na kha. This one number 2 now write a letter to your friend or relative in another city telling him or her about activities events in your school. This one lekathon in ziak ve do ni nang ma ni in lekathon zia in zir don ni chumo in chiante amo in relative in chungte in chiante amo in chungte khodanga omkha in school activity le event in school a enge in ti chin enge in thilti khang in school chanchin kha in soidona chu lekhathona khan in ziak don ni. Follow the same pattern as the above letter. A pattern kha khatyanga kha let a example ang deu khan line ron in pesa a khatya ang khan zia tur ani a kha mani a zia tur ani. And move on to the next page. Comprehension. Comprehension hi chu ti hian thon thu ang deu thu toy thon thu a passage ron da a chu mani in kan chiaranga zona mani a chan tur ani. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follows. He passage hi ichiaranga anwaya zo na hi nang mai ni chang do na ni. This one a passage kan lo chiarang. Oliver was a 9-year-old boy. He lived with other homeless boys in an orphanage. He was pale and thin as were the other boys living there. This was because they had worked hard but were never given enough to eat. The owner of the orphanage, Mr. Bumble, was a cruel man and he ill-treated the boys. The boys were always hungry. It was true that they were given 3 meals a day, but each meal consisted only a bowl of watery soup. They were almost starving, so it was decided by them to ask the master for more soup. But who would bail the cat? Finally, task fell to Oliver. When all the boys had assembled in the cold stone hall for the evening meal, the soup was served. It was disappeared. The boys whispered to one another and one boy pushed Oliver a little. Oliver, making a brave effort, stood up, walked up to the master with his bowl and spoon in his hand and said tremblingly, "Please, sir, I want some more." O kha a passage tu ne ta a now nu tham en kol na a khan no pang ho ingam zat mi pano pang kha an oma chung jinga chami pano pang Oliver kum komi kha ve ni. Ti chuan chu nu cham en kol na a chuan no pang te chu duat an hlo lo hle me a en kol tu chu Mr. Bumble ani a no pang ho chu an kham khop tok e tur an mungai lawa no pang ho chuan an kham khop tok e tur pek an ni ngai lawa an e chu soup the deuh hi anitlang pui thin ani chu wang chuan an tram chhol an rila tram the em a I an do bel ngam thin bok si lawa. This one in tinge I kan ho tu pa hne na hian kan cho hin tinge kan dil belang I tunge dilang ti kha anin ron khom ani chu ta chuan Oliver kha Oliver chunga atlata a thleng kan do huna do bel masaber tur niom takani mo khate khan ti chuan ni khat chu ti khan cho khan han do le ta a Oliver kha han the chhuaka I cho do bel le masaber tur khan chuan Oliver chuanin a huai chen na zong som khomin sir khongai takin mino pek bel them tin avadil ta ni kha zong kha thon thu khai khom na toy chu ani ta a and the question is given there. Why did Oliver live in the orphanage? Oliver kha engwaging ni orphanage a om nu cham en kol na a om ti ani a. Who was Mr. Bumble? Mr. Bumble chu tunge ani. Number 3, what meals were the boys given? Chu mi pano pang nu cham ho chu eng cho nge pek thin an ni. Number 4, what did Oliver say to Mr. Bumble? Oliver told Mr. Bumble ne na enge soi. Number 5, the boys were given 3 meals a day. Then why were they all hungry? Enga te ni khata chowai thum pek an si an rila tram reng te nia options are given. Because the soup they were given was never enough. because they work very hard all day long, because the older boys drank up their soup. Kada chang khan answer in zong do nia ga chu nang mani ti tur ni a chan na ka soi lawang mo. Number 6, find the words from the passage that mean the same as. A passage chunga chang khan nge ni a synonyms. Very hungry tina chu paragraph number panina number 2 na second paragraph a oma. Very hungry will term na tuk tina chu starving mo. Chuan number 2, to vanish ti chu third paragraph a khan a synonyms a an puya oma chu disappear tina bo tina ni tani. In number 7, all the boys assembled in the cold stone hall. Here the word assembled means assembled ti omja chu move away, collected, work together tinanta. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is number 2, collected. And number 9, give a suitable title to the passage. Athupui daro tinaneta a thupui engangin nge nang manin in ngai danin athon thu in char chang khan enge thupui ni thei oma athon thu ming kan tinge in thei om kha nang manin in da don ani. And then the next exercise, let's write. To learn means to understand or to gain knowledge. To teach means to show how or to explain. Complete the following sentence using the correct form of teach or learn. Teach, learn. Teach to zirtir tinania, learn to zir tinani. That's one you have to do that fill in the blanks by yourself by using the words given inside the blue box. And turn the next page, page number 75. Choose the correct words and complete the paragraph. You have to complete the words by using the words given inside the bracket. Or answer ka bracketa in pesata katachang khan answer dikha nang mani in choose don ani. Ole khati zong kha voina kanjir the chu ani a zona kan nei chuan thia thiam lo kan nei chuan comment section a in lo da don nia o lo ngai thatu le lo en tu te chunga lom thu ka soya in lo tang kai pui nge po ka base se boka te chuan channel hi min lo subscribe saka min lo share sak turin ka gen bok chewani kalome.